We will now see how to do date-wise search of all the cases in ITR in our website. In our homepage, there are several links on the top. Please click the searches link, which will give you a drop-down wherein you can find several icons inside that. I request you to please follow the pointer. Here, as you can see, there is a date icon. By single clicking onto that icon, it will take you to the date-wise search screen. Here, we have basically 4 panels: the journals panel, search panel, result panel, and output panel. In the journals panel, we do the journal selection. Here, we have selected ITR, and in the search panel, you can give your preferences of dates. And additionally, we have one more option here to furthermore scrutinize the search. You can search the cases year-wise in assessment year-wise search. By default, the date-wise search option is expanded for you. In the date-wise search text bar here, you have 2 options of input. The first option would be date from, and second would be date to. These are the date ranges you can give within which the cases which falls in ITR will be displayed in the result panel. To enter the date, you can either enter directly the date in the date format as day, month, and year, or after you click the date from text bar inside the date-wise search, a calendar will pop up just below that. For your easiness, you can directly select a date, and to select a month, you can click on the top, which is already there, wherein you can get all the months here. And to change the year, please click the current year on the top. You'll get consecutive years in a 10-year format. You can click the arrows to your right or to the left to change this format. Let us give a date input now. Let us select the year first. So to do that, please click the month and year name at the top of the calendar and then click that year. For now, we are searching 2022. So please click the 2022 and please click some earlier date or earlier month, for example, January. And we are clicking now 3rd of January. The date to selection is being done now. Here, you can give a later date from the previous date we have given. For example, we are selecting June 14th. So here, as we can see, the first number is the date, second number is the month, and third is the year. Here we have selected 3rd of January 2022 and date 2 is 14th of June 2022. Please click the search button here. And now our website will search all the cases which falls in this date range. And the search results are getting populated in the result panel. You can see all the ITR cases which falls in this date range we have given. By clicking onto any of the citation or the case name here, you can find the entire case report getting displayed in the output panel. As you can see, this case report is judged on February 4th, 2022, which falls in our date ranges. Similarly, for the same date range, to easily select the other journal which falls in ITR subscription like ITR OL or Tribunal, you can directly select that journal here with the same search preference we have already given, in the condition that the date ranges are similar. Here, for the same date range, please click the journal directly here. For example, let us click the ITR OL, and this will now search all the ITR OL cases for the same date range we have inputted earlier. As you can see, there are only 34 records now. By clicking onto any of the search results here in the result panel, you can see that ITR OL cases getting displayed fully here in the output panel. As you can see, the judgment date is on March 25th, 2022, which falls inside our date range here. Likewise, you can search other journals directly for the same date range by clicking onto that journal name here in the journal section. Here in Tribunal as well, as we have clicked directly the Tribunal journal here, you can see the Tribunal case here. For example, this case, which is judged on April 12th, 2022, which falls inside our date range we have already mentioned here. Likewise, now we will see the other option we have in the search panel, which is nothing but assessment year-wise search. As told before, please click the down arrow button after you do the reset here. Here, we can give the year range, that is year from and year to, similar to the logic of dates. There will be a drop down for your easiness so that you can directly select an year. We have from 1930 till the latest year 2022. Let us select 2011 and some later year, for example 2016. Our year range would be from 2011 and to 2016. Please ensure your journal selection. Here, for example, we have selected ITR, and please click search button once. You can see in the selection panel here, we have our date ranges of our assessment year. Assessment year from 2011 till assessment year to 2016. You can find all the ITR cases which falls in this year range, which has the assessment year between 2011 and 2016. By clicking onto any of the results here getting listed in the result panel, you can find the entire case report displayed in the output panel as usual. Here, as you can see, for this case, the assessment year is 2015-2016, which falls comfortably inside our date range, assessment year from 2011 till 2016. I hope now you're familiar with our date-wise search option inside our website for the ITR subscription. Thank you for watching.